Hello champions, how are you all? I'm sure you're doing great. In today's session, we are going to talk about the sound of double L and sound of double S. Okay, so first of all, let's look forward towards the sound of double L. So together, two L's sound like L. Double L sounds like L. Now, let's take some examples. Okay, the first example we are having is ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. The second is well. You take water from well, right? Well. W-E-L-L. Well. The next word is hill. Hill. Mountains. H-I-L-L. Hill. The next word is wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. The next word is bell. Okay? B-E-L-L. Bell. And the last word for this combination is bull. B-U-L-L. Bull. Great. Now, let's move forward towards the next combination, which is double S. So, double S or two S sounds like sir. Sir. Okay? Now, let us look towards some examples involving the same. The first word we are having for this combination of double S is press. Press. You press your clothes when you are going out, right? Press. P-R-E-S-S. P-R-E-S-S. The next word is dress. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. The next word is grass. G-R-A-S-S. G-R-A-S-S. The next word for this combination is cross. C-R-O-S-S. C-R-O-S-S. The second last word for this combination is glass. G-L-A-S-S. G-L-A-S-S. And the last word for this combination is compass. You know what is a compass? Let me tell you. A compass is an object which helps you to define the directions. Okay? Compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Compass. Okay? So this was all for the double S combination. Okay? So today we talked about two combinations. First is double L, which sounds like L, and the second is double S, which sounds like sir. So now make sure you practice this at home, and we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.